book. I'm back with yet another mango pickle recipe, but this time it will be a sweet and tangy version. A very easy and quick recipe to try. So let's get started. For this, I have taken 1 kilo mango which I have peeled, washed, and then I have cut them into pieces like this. Now I'm going to start the procedure. In a kadai, I am adding around 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Now I'm adding the mangoes to the oil. All the mangoes to the oil, and now I am going to add the dry masalas. Here goes the haldi, 2 spoons haldi, 2 spoons of jeera powder, 2 spoons of dhania powder, sorry, I forgot to add the salt. Salt as per your requirement. I've added 1.5 spoon. You can add more if you want. Give this a good mix. Cover and cook till the mangoes softens. The mangoes are done. They are nicely cooked. Now I am adding this jaggery to the mango. You can even add sugar if you do not have jaggery. Don't worry, the taste won't differ. It will be the same if you add sugar to it. Give it a mix and cook for another few minutes till they combine well. Another few minutes. Okay, the mangoes are done. Wow, they look so nice. Absolutely the way I wanted them to be. They are combined well. I'm going to keep this aside and let it cool before I add raw mustard oil into this. So the mangoes have cooled completely and I have taken them out in a bowl. Now I'm going to pepper it with Panch. Panch is basically a Bengali spice, just a combination of 5 whole spices. That's methi, sauce, jeera, kalonji and radhani. You can also add sarso instead of radhani. Okay, so tempering done. Cover it with a lid for few minutes. Let the mangoes absorb the flavor. Okay, it's done. If you want, you can skip this tempering step. Okay, now add 1 tablespoon of raw mustard oil. Give it a good mix. The flavor of raw mustard oil is just yummy. Fill this in a glass jar can easily store this pickle for a year. Try this recipe and enjoy it with your roti, rice or parathas. If you liked my recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please tap the bell icon for the notifications of my latest videos. I'll meet you soon with a new recipe in my next video. Till then,